Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned Nautique Super Air. It's a G25 2015. This boat has a metal flake color with red. It looks absolutely wonderful. It definitely shines in the light. Gorgeous boat. Going inside this boat, you can see this has a nice wraparound seat. The seat in the back flips back to allow more aft face seating. Here in the bow we have a nice spacious area. A couple of cushions that you can flip upside down to have the SeaDeck flooring showing, make it easier to board. Here at the helm, we have our nice controls there, as well as a nice glove box. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota.